It's Monday morning, my second video for my podcast. I've waited here 5-10 minutes, nothing popped. We're gonna go and wait over here. Maybe somebody needs a ride from a private jet. Although Uber's trying to get me to go a different way, I'm not gonna follow the Uber navigation. I'm actually gonna go this way. Let me show you guys. Hey, come over here. I'm gonna go this way. Cut across, right? Because I think around the mountain, there's less drivers. Most drivers would take this route, right? So we're gonna mix it up a little bit. Another tip I wanna show you right here is, check this out. Let's hide this for a second. Let's go back. Find this in your city, right? Like, here, let me zoom out a little bit more. This is a whole different area. This is a whole different area, right? Find this where you live in your city or in your state, right? And this is what I'm talking about, a choke point right here, right? Anytime you can get to this choke point right here, for us in California, this is mountains. There's nobody here, right? There's nobody even living here. Maybe a few people are living here. And I'm not talking about the homeless people, right? I'm just saying maybe somebody lives here. But see how it chokes right here? One freeway, two freeway. There's a third freeway right here. There's a fourth freeway right here, right? And this one's the same one. So there's like 4 freeways right here that are going. Do you see that? This is where you want to be. This choke point allows you, if you sit here and wait, I think it's a little early in the morning today. It's 5:30 in the morning, right? My humble opinion, if you sit and you wait here for 20, 30 minutes, well, 15, 20 minutes, there's no problem getting a ride. No problem. Now we're going to move forward and go to Burbank, and maybe we get lucky. Maybe we don't. We will keep you posted. And the reason why I go to Burbank is, and remember, I'm going to go this way. And the reason why I'm going to Burbank is I got to work on my thumbnails and get my project ready for YouTube today.
Guaranteed to make less than minimum wage. I'll do my numbers when I...
All right, we'll put Sergio on pause. And there it is, my friends. Before I got to the airport, I picked up my first passenger for $27. He'll put me in Los Angeles. From there, I'll go to Westwood. I understand my audio is not too great, so I'm going to stop this video right here and upload it for you when I get a chance.